Hi Liza. How are you?
I am fine. Sam. Hope you are fine. Let's start today's learning.
Yes, Liza. Please start. I am very excited to know today's word.
Today's word is rubric. The meaning of rubric is a title or heading under which something operates. Or in other words we can say, studied or a set of instructions or rules. Let's take another example of rubric. Especially on an exam paper, usually printed in a different style or color.
I got it. It's easy word. Please tell me some more examples.
Yes. I will explain you more. One more example is, cut to popular programs are just put under this function 920 rubric, which allows them to pretend they are not real. I hope you understood this word.
Yes. Liza, I got it. Thanks for today's learning. See you tomorrow.
Yes, Sam. See you tomorrow with a new word.